Volunteers with the Ventura County Fire Department make a big difference in our community. Even in a year of pandemic, they found hundreds of ways to contribute, helping thousands of people across the county. Simply put, we would not be as effective in helping to keep people safe and healthy without our volunteers' efforts. In 2020, 115 volunteers supported community education and outreach, safety program participation, and much, much more. They staffed COVID vaccination sites. They collected toys for needy children. They delivered meals and distributed safety information. They come from all walks of life and all areas of the county to freely share their time and talents in service to others. We are honored by their contributions, and it was with pleasure that the fire department had the chance to share our appreciation with cupcakes, cider, caps, and certificates during a drive-thru recognition ceremony. Every smile, wave, and fist bump demonstrated our volunteers' giving spirit, the joy we have for working with you, and our shared optimism that we will be able to accomplish even more in the years to come. So to each and every volunteer, for all that you do,